When the pilot of this Florida-bound single-engine Cessna 208 suddenly got ill mid-air, he fell against the controls, sending the aircraft into a nosedive and sharp turn, leaving passenger Darren Harrison on a weak and prayer 2,750 meters high. But despite having no experience of piloting a plane, he pulled it out of its nosedive and radioed aircraft control. With just the Florida coast for the reference, Mr. Harrison was then given step-by-step instructions of what to do next. At this point, former flight instructor Robert Morgan was pulled off his brake to help guide the plane down. But he wasn't. Morgan's job now kept the passenger down, pilot calm, and point him to a longer runway so he could land safely. After a bouncy landing, the plane was towed away. The man who brought the plane down safely hugged his unexpected instructor on the tarmac before rushing home to see his pregnant wife. The original pilot was taken to hospital. His condition remains unknown. Mark Global, BBC News.